Morning guys, how you doing? Hope you're all okay. Well, this morning's a real on the spur of the moment thing. I woke up and there was fog everywhere. So I thought, fog, photographs, let's get out there. So literally just been driving around and my mind's been going, where should I go, where should I go? It's like probably 100 places I could have gone today. But I've come to a place not too far from where I live. It's probably about 2 or 3 miles from where I live. It's a place called Sturminster Marshall. And this is kind of one of my go-to places. I want to get somewhere quick or just somewhere just to kind of chill out a bit. And you might be able to see just behind me there's the bridge. I've photographed this quite a few times and all times at different times of the year as well. And yeah, it's lovely. I mean, it's a real old bridge. I think the original bridge dates back probably about 600 or 700 years ago, maybe further than that, I don't know. But it's a lovely thing to photograph. The water's not too bad at the minute, and when it's low you can actually pretty much walk straight across. So anyways, I'm gonna set up now and see what we can get. Some hoping, well, we've got a bit of mist. When the sun pops through, that's going to light the bridge up as well. But I don't know, you know, anything can happen. So I'm here for an hour or so, and let's just wait and see what happens. So right, I'm going to set up now, and I'll catch you in a bit. Okay guys, well this is my first composition. I just walked down into the river a little bit because it's really shallow here, and I've got my wellies on, so that's pretty good. So obviously I've got the bridge here, the river running along there. You can see just there I've got all the mist just touching the bridge there. Up to about 5 minutes ago, probably before I stepped down here, it was covered in swans and ducks and that, which probably made it quite interesting. But yeah, it's quite a busy little road this. It's a cut through from the main road through down to Wimborne. But it's a lovely spot, you know, so I come down here quite a lot, sometimes just for a walk, you know. And you've got the National Trust meal over there, White Meal, which is open. It's not open every day, it's only open certain times of the week, certain times of the year. But that's quite interesting if you want to have a wander around there. There's a car park just across the road as well, so everything's easy to get to. Yeah, so settings wise I'm on, let's have a look, 25th second, F11, ISO 100, about 14 mil. I've got no filters on at the minute. I might put a little ND filter on in a minute just to smooth the water out a bit, but to be honest at the minute I'm quite happy with what I've got. Okay guys, well I've moved down into the water a bit more, as you can probably see. Like I say, it's this real shallow shelf that goes out for quite a way, so I'm pretty safe, and the water's not that fast, so you don't have to worry. But yeah, what I've done now, I've just dropped a 3-stop ND filter on, just to smooth it out a bit. That's given me about 2.5 seconds. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. What I want now is just the sun just to pop through, just to light the bridge up, so that'd be awesome if that happens. But at the minute, I don't know how that's going to happen. It's still staying pretty foggy, so I can't complain. So, you know, I'm not complaining at all, because it's quite nice to get out in the fog and do something a little bit different. But yeah, we'll just crack on and see what else we can get. I'm wondering though whether these will probably turn out black and white, because there's nothing. You've got the bridge and a bit of green, and that's about it really. So I'm thinking maybe minimalist type shot. I don't know. Have a look, see when we play around when we get home. But yeah, it's great. Family of swans over there, having a nice time. Well guys, I'm going to have to call it a day now because my camera's packed up on me. Not quite sure what's going on there. But you know, when you press the shutter, it's just not working basically. So that's really annoying, and you know, it's a bit sad really because it's not an expensive camera, so there's probably no point in getting it fixed. So it could be quite an expensive trip this. Anyways, keep smiling, and like I say, I've had a good time. I've got a couple of images before everything decided to fall apart. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, thanks for listening, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers then, bye.